Okay, let's continue. So the same procedure that we use to generate the privacy policy, I will advise you to use the same procedure to generate the terms and conditions. Okay, so now let's continue. We are going to add cookies to our policy or to our website. So that's what we are going to do right now. So let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Let's go to plugins, add new plugins. And then here enter cookies. And let's see. Okay. Okay, so we'll go with the 1 million. Okay, so let's go with the 1 million. Let me see. This is also 1 million, but let's go with this one. Let's go with this. So click on it to install. Make sure your data is on before you do that. And when you finish, you activate it. Then activate it. Okay, so now let's click on the cookies. I'll click on the cookies. Okay, so here let's click on cookies banner. Okay, then let's go with let's see. Okay, this one is for United States. Okay, so you can go in with any of them. I think this one is okay. Okay, and then click on banner preview. Okay, so this is how it will appear on our website. And then what else? Okay, let's look at the manager. So we are going to change the color to suit our website. Okay, let me see. Language, no. Policy generator. Okay, dashboard. Okay, content and color. Okay, so cookies notice. So this is the message. And then this the color. Okay, so let's change the color. Okay, so I'm going for the color picker. And then Right. Let me go with this one. Let me write this. Okay. Well, let me go with this one. Okay. So this one. Let me copy it. And then here. Okay, so over here I will delete this and then paste this. Okay, and then here also I will delete this one and then paste that. Good. The text color white is okay. Okay. And then also here the background also delete this one and paste this. Then here also the same thing, delete it and then paste that. What else? Okay. Then the customize button, you delete and then paste. Here also delete and then paste. And then here also you do the same thing. Okay. So now I think we've done all the necessary changes. So now let me publish it. And then let me look at the preview. Okay, so it's looking nice. Now let's go to our front end and then refresh the page and see. Okay, so you need to have this so that Google will approve your account, not that they will not accept it, and you have a website and you not get anything. People will be visiting there for free. Okay, so I'll end here. Bye bye.